Hello everyone, my name is Mark and this is Marika.
And welcome to our channel, Touch of Magic. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button somewhere down below. And if you like our channel, please subscribe and check out more of our Disney related videos. Yeah. It's almost Christmas, the most wonderful time of the year. We wanted to make something with a princess. Which princess is more Christmas
Then Olaf. Yes.
Never, I wanted to say Frozen, but
we made
Elsa.
Olaf cookies and you are talking about something Princess Olaf.
We wanted a princess story. We discussed about making a princess story. And
yes.
Which one is more, keep the script. Who is more Christmassy princess than Elsa and Anna and their Frozen story?
Yes.
Don't say Olaf.
Olaf. We're gonna make some Olaf cookies. We need some butter, flour, some vanilla sugar, white sugar, 1 egg. First we're gonna put butter in the bowl, sugar in it, white sugar, put it on. So turn the mixer on. You put flour in it. 1, 2, 3. In it. So
Let's make a snowball.
Sugar cookie ball.
Sugar cookie ball.
We rubbed this dough in plastic, can rest for an hour in the fridge. So the dough is ready now. You can stretch it out. Put some flour on the table, not too much. I think almost ready. I'm gonna make some samples for Olaf so we can cut them out with the knife. So I need a baking tray.
Carefully. They smell so good.
Oh yes, I know.
Let them cool off. And in the meantime, we're gonna make royal icing.
Start with the icing. Put it on. I need some
Powdered sugar.
Put some water in it. We're gonna mix. Let's see what happens. I think it's ready now. We're gonna put it in 4 boxes. So first, we're gonna put this under
Dishcloth.
No. So we put it on. Make sure it's not dry. we are done now.
Look at them. They're so cute. I really love them. Can we taste them?
Should we do? It tastes amazing.
Sugar rush.
Yes. Thanks for watching us.
If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you like us and our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button here. Eat something.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.